how do I take it to the next level? I've been collaborating with all of these brands. I've been keeping on putting out content, but I want my content better. But even though I'm still in high school, I still have to attend school, still have to attend classes, still have to do all that type of stuff. How do I keep on doing this and taking it to a higher level, bro?
You want me to give you a huge secret, just you and me right now? I'm actually going to give you something remarkable. For real. You ready?
Put it up.
Start making content that you know won't do well on Instagram and YouTube.
That won't do well?
That won't do well.
Why?
Because the number one mistake that everybody is making right now in the entire world is they're trying to take their content to the next level, and they think that means more likes and more followers. And I think the next level is more truth and more experimenting.
Definitely. Just, you crazy, bro.
I know, dude. I knew I was giving you something. E-Rock, I hope you guys are filming.